Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials and hit the notification bell icon to get instant notification. Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the latest beta for the Xiaomi Pocophone F1 and a few other Xiaomi devices, that is 9.5.16 or I'm using 9.5.17. So this update has a few changes, a few things have been removed, a few things have been added, and maybe tomorrow or day after you should have a video out in which I will explain what is a Xiaomi stable ROM, what is a Xiaomi beta ROM, what is a closed beta, what is an open beta, and how to install all this stuff. Now, before we begin, if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a video. At the same time, here's a card to my second channel, that is Kratos390. Go ahead and check that channel out as well. Now, without further ado, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright guys, so welcome to another Xiaomi Pocophone update video, and before we begin I have a small request. If you really like the content that you see daily on my channel, please give this video a like, because that really encourages me to make good stuff. Also helps us to grow the channel as per YouTube. At the same time, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon, because Smartphone Tutorials is one of the most interactive channels. You have posts and polls coming on the community all the time, so I try to do as much as I can to keep this channel interactive and a user opinion based channel as well. So before we begin, what we are looking at over here is the latest beta for the Xiaomi Pocophone F1, that is based on 9.5.17. So first things first, what we will do here is we will go to About, and if we go to System Updates and tap these three dots and check what's new, it says you don't have permissions, because most of the times I end up flashing ROMs through TWRP like I did for this one. Now, before we begin, let me tell you that if you are on a stable ROM and if you download the global beta, you can just press these three dots in System Updates and select Choose Update Package. All you have to ensure is that the latest beta is downloaded in the root of your phone's internal memory, and then you can select it from there and you can go ahead and flash it. At the same time, you can flash this from TWRP and flash the DFE file to be sure that TWRP doesn't get overwritten by the stock recovery. Now, when we talk about this particular update, of course, we still have the famous April security patch. I don't know why. We are almost more than towards the end of the May. So the version is 9.5.17 global beta, and of course this is based on Android 9 and stuff like that. So we don't have any official changelog. So what we will do is we will quickly go to MIUI's website or Xiaomi's website, and let's have a look what they have to say. Alright, so we are on their website, and we have everything mentioned over here. So MIUI 10 global public beta ROM supported devices, everything is mentioned. Of course, Poco is there. So here's the change log: lock screen, status bar, notifications shade, fixed screen lock prompt wasn't displayed correctly in landscape orientation, fixed battery icons were displayed incorrectly, optimized in-screen fingerprint scanners response. That's of course not for this device, that's for maybe the Mi 9. Game speed booster, auto brightness, screenshot gestures and reading mode can be turned off automatically when game turbo is on. That's a good thing. You can restrict opening notification shade while playing game. So that's a very substantial change log compared to what we've had in the last couple of weeks. Now let me tell you the things that I have observed. First of all, if you have haptic feedback turned on, and haptic feedback means, well, that means vibration when touching the screen, so touch to vibrate and stuff like that. If you have that turned on, and if you go to recent, the moment you select recents it will vibrate, and if you clear the recents like this, it will continue to vibrate, which gives you a very good feeling compared to what it was without vibration. So that's one change there. If we go to gaming mode, so let's go to gaming mode over here. All right, so we have a couple of options over here. For example, we have something called as enhanced experience. In this, we can turn off brightness, that's auto brightness, turn off reading mode, restrict screenshot gestures. Basically, while you're playing a game and gaming mode is enabled, you will not be able to use 3-finger screenshot, and don't open notification shade. So you can enable or disable these options. That's another good thing. Apart from this, we have a home page orientation, so horizontal or vertical. So you can decide if you want the gaming mode to be horizontal or you want it to be vertical. So that is another good thing. So more or less they are enhancing the gaming mode compared to what it was earlier. One thing that they have taken away is something that I'm not a fan of. Now as you can see, you get the face unlock animation over here, and you get all the information about the wallpapers over here. So earlier what used to happen is all the information about the wallpaper carousel, like you're getting it right now, you used to get it up top, and this thing overlapped the face unlock animation. That is the reason they have disabled the view details option in charging, which I'm not really sure why would you do that, because if you have given an option which allows us to check additional information, why would you disable that, Xiaomi? So to give you guys an example, let me just connect a charger over here while the phone is on the lock screen. There you go. So the beautiful charging animation is still there. That light that you see there is the IR camera, so don't be surprised. But more or less, if you have a look, let's wait for this animation to go away. It says quick charge because I'm using the power bank. So fast charging 89%, that is all it says. It doesn't give us any perspective as to, you know, how much time will it take, when was the last time it was charged and stuff like that. So I really don't think you know, taking away features is a really good option. But apart from that, there are no major changes. Well, these are, you know, sort of quite major changes already, but yes, that's all the changes in the latest 9.5.16. you have haptic in recents and gaming mode enhancement, and wallpaper carousel has been enhanced and stuff like that. So that's all the changes in the latest beta for the Pocophone F1 and a few other Xiaomi devices. Let me know in the comment section how did you like this video, and until the next video, this is Kailash signing off at Smartphone Tutorials. Keep smiling, take care, goodbye.